Assalamu alaikum. Hi to everyone. Welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. We're gonna make a new recipe today, and it's black chickpeas. Yummy. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Subscription is totally free, and share my videos with your friends and family. So let's see what ingredients we're gonna need to make black chickpeas. It's kind of like a soup kind of thing that we are making today. So I'm using chickpeas. So 250 mg of chickpeas. So for the chickpeas, what you're gonna do is you're gonna soak it overnight, or if you soak it for 4 to 5 hours in a regular tap water. So I use this pot, this container, to dry it after, and then you're gonna put a little bit of baking soda to it for like good 30 minutes, and then wash it 3 to 4 times. And then these are washed now, so they're ready to cook. So after that, I'm gonna I took 3 medium sizes of onions and I cut them like this. So I'm gonna use garlic, and this is like 3 cloves of garlic that I'm gonna use, or 3 to 4 cloves you can use. So ginger paste I'm gonna use, that is 1 tablespoon, and then I'm gonna use salt to taste, but we're using 1 tablespoon of salt in that, and then I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. So you can use it to taste as you like. So this is turmeric powder, so half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, I would say, and then 1 cup of oil. You can use ghee as well, or purified oil. Purified butter too. So I'm gonna use 3 glasses of water in it. So let's see how we're gonna make it. So I placed my pot on the, I'm gonna use a pressure cooker for that. So I placed my pot on the stove. It's on high flame right now. So I'm gonna pour my oil in it. And then right away my onions. So we're gonna cook onions till they get translucent and they change the color a little bit. I'll show you how the color turns out. So now I added, see, the color has been changed. So I added my garlic to it too. They're right here. So garlic. So as it changes the color, it turns out translucent a little bit, the onions. So we're gonna let it cook in the oil for a good 5 minutes. At this point, I'm gonna add my ginger paste to it too. There. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna add all my spices to it. So my salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder gives a very beautiful, like lovely taste to the food. Smells really good. So I'm gonna turn down my flame a little bit. So I'm gonna do it medium. It was on high until now. So I'm gonna add my chickpeas, black chickpeas to it. There we go. Right away, we're gonna pour water in it. We took 3 glasses of water. So we're gonna pour that in there. So now we're gonna put the flame up again, high. And then now it's time, I'm gonna close the lid. So I closed the lid. So this is East Indian style of cooker. So I'm gonna put the weights on it. And then I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes. You can do 2 to 3 whistles, I would say. So after 30 minutes, let's see. Yes, that's wonderful. So I'm going to turn the flame up again, and then we're going to cook it. So I'm going to cook it for 5 to 7 minutes like this. And you're going to, at this point, you're going to check your chickpea if it's ready, if it's soft already. So I checked it, it seems it's very soft. So I'm going to cook it for 5 to 7 minutes, and after that I'm going to add water, and that's your choice how much soup you want in it. So the oil is oozing out, see? So it means it's ready. So now I'm going to put 2 glasses of water in it, and then leave it for like next 10 minutes, and then it's ready to serve after that. You can serve that with the boiled rice, any kind of rice. That's why we like this soup, because we eat it with rice. And you can also serve it with chapati, naan bread, roti. So I'm gonna leave it for next 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. So leave the lid on, put it on high flame and leave it to boil, and then it's ready. So after 10 minutes, it's ready. If you want, you can let it simmer for next 5 minutes on low flame. So we're gonna add methi leaves, dried methi leaves to it too, just to give it a little bit more flavoring. You can find the methi leaves from any East Indian store. It gives nice, it's optional if you want. It gives nice, very nice smell to it. So for the methi leaves, I'm gonna leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes, like this, lid on, and then after that I'm gonna dish it out. So after 2 minutes, now I'm gonna dish it out. It's ready. Look, the beautiful color of oil. You can see it. So I'm gonna dish it out now. So I dished it out. Chickpea curry, chickpea salan is ready. Try it. It's black chickpea. I'm gonna make white chickpeas for you too. So try it. Let me know how did you like the flavor. We didn't use tomatoes in it. That's an option. You can use it if you want, but there's no need. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my video with your friends and family. Subscription is totally free, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. I dished it out. It's ready to serve. Black chickpeas are ready. It's chickpea curry or chickpea salan. So try it. Let me know how did you like it. Subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest videos first. Share my videos with your friends and family. We'll see you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.